Hey everyone, this is Peter with GoodyReader.com, and this is the Joan 13, not the 13.3, 13. And this box is huge. To give you some perspective, here is my cell phone on the bottom corner. So opening this up on camera is going to be a little bit of a challenge because it's gonna probably hit the camera. No, it doesn't. All right, well, turning this sideways, needless to say, we'll go like this. Wow, yeah, very big box, heavily corrugated. You'll see right here this triple corrugation, and this is basically to prevent any sort of damage to the slate itself. Oh, there's another box inside. I didn't even notice that. Oh, it's almost like a branded shipping box. Oh, I see. Okay, well, here's us in the camera. Hey, hello, welcome to the studio, left and right. This is the device itself. Man, this is heavy. We're gonna have to put this on scale later and see how heavy this is. Doesn't look like there's anything else in the box. Let me just lift up these corrugated bits. Nope, there's nothing else in there. So you can put that off to the side. And it looks like this is the box itself, but it's very, very tight. It's up against the side of this box, so I don't imagine they would want to have shipped in this box. So let's open this up. For the first time, getjoan.com. These guys were nice enough to send this to us, so very much appreciate that. Last time they sent us some t-shirts that said booked on it, and there were some really nice t-shirts. Oh, and they sent us a bag. So you know that it has been previously opened or not if that stuff is left as a residue. So keep your eyes open for that if you guys are buying this and you want to make sure it is sealed. Oh, although the other side didn't have it. That's kind of weird. All right, this is the Joan 13. Oh, this is probably previously opened because it's a probably re-shrink wrapped, because it does look like this got smashed, but the box was intact. Can we push this through? Possibly. Oh, it's a little bit smashed here, but that's all good. This is the micro USB cable used to load data on this and stuff like that. This has 1 year battery life with a 16:9 aspect ratio. So it's very nice for boardroom meetings and all that kind of stuff, because that is the whole purpose of it. It's not an e-reader. It's a device with an e-ink screen, but it's not an actual e-reader. And that looks like it is not glued to the back. No, it's just very, very hard to get to. All right, the user manual. They have a magnetic mount, or the VESA mount. I'm assuming it's some sort of double-sided tape. I don't know if VESA is saying like jacuzzi versus a Panasonic hot tub. Not too sure. Create an account, select hosting, connect calendar, all that stuff. We're going to go over this in the review of this, put it on the studio wall behind us, and we'll show some cool e-ink stuff. But for now, let's look at the device itself. This is extremely heavy. Like I said, we're going to get this on the scales. There's nothing on any of the sides being completely clean on all three sides, and the bottom side has, right there, hidden in the corner, a USB port. And on the other side, a USB port. Oh, no. One's USB and one's micro USB, one's USB-C. That's cool. And a little Wi-Fi mark there. It is not a button, or it is a button. It doesn't squish. Anyways, we're going to go over this in full, under the full review. But for now, this is an unboxing of the, well, Visionect Joan 13. Put that right there. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.